Hey guys, how are you all? Yesterday I was so busy with my personal work that I was not able to upload new video. But today, one great thing had happened. Today I am going to sketch one beautiful portrait work with glass marking pencils. See, I had this box far before with me. This is the box of white pencils with glass marking pencils, and recently I have purchased 4 more new pencils with different colors like red, yellow, blue and black. I didn't get the green one, but then also I will try to draw one beautiful portrait with it, and just be with me to witness whether my purchase is worthy or not. So without wasting time, let's start our sketching work.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Okay, so what is your opinion about these glass marking pencils? Whether I should go with these pencils or not, please let me know your comment, cause I used to wait for your comments and I work according to you, okay? Tomorrow once again I will be available with another video, and that will be very amazing cause I'm going to use some different materials over there. So if you are new to my channel and want all those videos, then do one thing, just subscribe my channel, also select the bell notification so that whenever I will upload my new videos, you must get notified. So till then, take care, keep drawing, keep sketching, and